we're going to use the text-to-image tool in Canva to create custom YouTube thumbnails. Won't that be fun? In the bustling realm of YouTube, standing out can be a Herculean task. With millions of videos vying for attention, how do you ensure that viewers click on you, find your content? Well, the answer lies in thumbnails. 90% of the top viewed people on YouTube, whatever their niche is, have custom thumbnails. So having a tool that will make those, it's going to answer that question of why thumbnails matter in video marketing. Because thumbnails are the first impression of your video. They are the visual hook that draws viewers in and compels them to click and find out more information about what you're talking about. So having an increased click-through rate and overall better engagement happens with custom thumbnails. Let's get to doing the explanation of the steps involved in the Canva tool. I've got a link in the Google document. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, the link will be there, and then you can go through it step by step and pause it as you need to. So creating a custom YouTube thumbnail using Canva's text-to-image tool is pretty simple. You've got a Canva account, right? So you sign up for the free online AI image generator that comes with an account. On the left-hand side, you'll see Magic Media, select images, and then describe what you want the image to be, create that custom thumbnail. And then there's 6 styles you can choose from if you count none. I use a photo most often. Select the aspect ratio, and you got 3 choices here. Square, landscape for YouTube, that's what you want to use, and portrait. And then generate the image. Once you've selected the aspect ratio, you generate the image. Once that image is generated, choose that menu option, resize and magic switch up there on the top bar. Under resize, select 1280 by 720. Customize your thumbnail by adding the text or adjusting colors or incorporating your branding elements, whatever you got to do. Then download and upload. After finalizing your design, download the thumbnail in high resolution, then upload it with your YouTube video during the upload process or by editing the video details. After finalizing your design, download the thumbnail in high resolution, then upload it to your YouTube video during the upload process or by editing your video details. I've got some tips in there for optimizing thumbnails for visibility and click-through rates. Things like use bold, readable text or incorporate high-quality images, include faces and expressions, etc. So do go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com and look for this link for using Canva as the generator of your custom thumbnails. That's what I'm trying to say. Thanks for taking time out of your day. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.